Despite a turbulent year, R.Deckert has remained busy designing, building and installing high-quality lines that count, fill, cap and label. This year Deckert delivered 2 ABM air rinsing machines to a cosmetics manufacturer. The ABMs turn and clean glass bottles, arriving in pucks at up to 60 glass bottles per minute. Deckert installed a system consisting of 2 linear monoblock counting machines, each fitted with 6 Kramer tablet counting modules as well as press-on capping heads. Each filling machine counted up to 200 tablets into jars at 100 jars per minute. The 2 counting lines then fed into a single Deckert high-speed labelling machine. The FVR 100 is seen here filling cream into jars, placing and sealing foil and then screw capping the jars. The linear monoblock rake machine continues to be a success for filling both tablets and liquids. Shown here is the FVR 100 filling liquid into puck-loaded bottles and placing spray heads with long dip tubes. We installed the popular TVM monoblock rotary counting line. The machine inserted desiccant barrels, counted tablets and capsules into containers, check weighed, capped, induction sealed and retorqued the bottles. The rotary AVM capper seen here tightens, induction seals and retorques caps placed by hand. The pharmaceutical customer chose this machine because of the quality control measures available. The induction sealer operates whilst the container is static, allowing greater control and feedback. The retorquing drive measures the application torque, and a scanner verifies cap placement. In the UK and Ireland, R.Deckert is represented by Raupack. Contact us with any questions or any projects you wish to discuss.